Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add USDC to the Phantom wallet. It's quite easy to get this done. All you need to do is make sure you're logged in on the Phantom wallet and you do have some Solana available, seeing as we're going to be working with USDC on the Solana network. And in order to add the USDC to Phantom network, you can go about this by either buying the USDC itself or swapping your Solana to the USDC. And in order to make sure the USDC is added to your wallet, you could simply click on the Manage Token list. That's when you've swapped or bought it. Click on the Manage Token list. And here we go, the USDC on the Solana network. Or you could simply search for USDC. Here we go, USDC on Solana. Simply enable this USDC. And by doing this, your USDC is going to be shown on your wallet. So guys, this is the USDC on the Solana network. Do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can add the USDC to the Phantom wallet and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.